Hey guys, Tyler here with Kingston Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network. You join me down here on a beautiful day at Ivy Lee Club in the Thousand Islands. We're going to do a video tour of this excellent looking Meridian 459 that we currently just listed. This one's not going to last long. You're about to see why. Come on aboard. Let's do a video tour. Thanks for joining me on this quick little video tour of this gorgeous 2007 Meridian 459 offered to you by Kingston Yacht Sales by United City Yachts. Whether you're buying, selling, trading, importing, exporting, US buyers, we can help you out as well too. We do this every single day. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tour, and hopefully we'll see you on the water soon.